If I take another image, say downloads, Happy Father's Day. Okay, now duration is my father, event is Father's Day, the name Ramesh. If I run this, then in the sending message it will show you wishing my father Ramesh happy Father's Day, and in the message from wishing from your son Dheeraj, and indicator will be happy Father's Day. Yeah, in this way you can in display or sending the message according to the given input for a relation, event, and name. According to that, the string will be concatenated in such a way that it will display in this format. And you can import date and time and to get date and time. That's it. Thank you.